Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Predicts, and this is another reading. This is for October 21st to 31st. We've got the unicorn lights here. I don't know if you can see them properly, but yes, they're adding a little bit of light here, and I'm going to use the unicorn cards, which are new. I'm going to use the sigil magic cards, and I'm going to use your animal spirit cards, the romance angel cards. I've also got some words that I got while I was trying to do this reading, and I'm going to shuffle the cards live. I will also use my classic deck. Let me see what all other decks that I want to use. I can take them out and keep them next to me. So let's start the reading without wasting much time, because I'm sure you are here for a lot of messages. I want to start with the unicorn deck. So these are the messages for you. Remember, it's a general reading. Might or might not resonate. Not all messages might resonate, but these are channel messages. Whatever I get through while I'm holding the cards, I don't read the cards the way they are supposed to be read. I always get channel messages when I take the cards. So this is aspiration. October 21st to 31st, you are unlimited. So aim for these stars. So it says whatever even if the goal is too far away or anything is too high, you can reach for the stars also. This also means that you can reach your goals. You will be able to fulfill your dreams. Whatever you did set for yourself from October 21st to 31st will be completed. This is a beautiful message. It is like nothing is too far away. Everything is within reach. So if you started some new project, anything that you started to do with the money, or you set goals for yourself in the finance area, that you have to put this much money for yourself, or you need this much money, you'll be realizing everything, or all that you set, all the goals that you set for yourself. And October, in the end of October, you will get everything, because you'll realize that nothing is too far away. And I feel when it says the word unlimited, so I feel that you feel your power is unlimited. Nothing is limiting you right now, so you're operating in that zone which you feel, you feeling very powerful right now. And that's a beautiful way to feel. You feel everything, everything can be achieved. Nothing is too far away, not at a distance. It also could be things coming closer to you, the projects, the dreams, the finance, the relationship, everything is closer to you now. It's like you worked hard for it, and things are actually are coming in your life the way you wanted them to come in your life, or whatever you wanted to come in your life is actually now closer to you. I also feel you're an early riser, and during these days that I've mentioned, 21st October to 31st October, I feel you'll be getting up early to either go for a walk or something similar, and you'll be changing your routine a bit. And I think you will also, want to exercise in the morning. You'll be changing that time, of the time of your exercise. I also feel that. I also feel that you're a morning person. That's another message that I get. You like the morning light. That you like the morning light. Let me see any other messages. You also love the colors pink and white. Pink and white. Oops, lots of messages. I'm going to keep shuffling them because I don't think lots of them fell from my hand. So let's see what are the other messages for you. This is a beautiful card to start with, guys. And that's number one. It says number one. So number one is going to be important for you, because I also took the dates from 21st October to 31st October, and there's a one in it. So something to do with number one, if you're dealing with a number one, or you'll be coming first. Or I think it's a lot of about first also, having a first experience for the first time, doing something for the first time. I'm getting those messages also with this card. Doing something for the very first time. Surprise, I told you something is coming. And for the very first time, you'll be meeting that, or seeing that, or experiencing that, or you'll be meeting a new person, or a person that you've not met for long. You'll be meeting the person. Those are the things that I get. That person is going to surprise you, and it's also unexpected things happening. A lot of different unique things coming together. It's a peacock, it's a unicorn, I think it's a deer. A lot of different people coming together, a lot of different thoughts coming together, a lot of people brainstorming together. It's a beautiful visual, and there is a surprise in that. Either you're going to think of an idea and that will surprise you, or somebody is going to give you a surprise. Somebody you were waiting for. You were waiting for a news, but because that news didn't come for a long time, you'd forgotten about it, but that's going to resurface. Somebody's going to give you a good news. Something new is coming in your life. There's surprises here. That's really nice. And that will really make your heart sing. That's another thing that I got. I get a lot of fire sign. I get a lot of earth sign. I get water here a lot. I get air in this sign. This is for the air sign. You can achieve anything you want. Wisdom. In these coming 10 days or whatever, 21st to 31st, yes, actually 11 days, act with wisdom and people will respect you. So don't say anything foolish. I don't know why I wanted to give this message. Sorry, guys. I don't mean that you will act foolishly or do anything foolish, but I just want to say, I wanted to say this, so I had to say it because that was a message. Uh, the people who actually are looking up to you, you know, for you to say something. That you've got a lot of crowd there, you've got people around you. Probably you have to deliver a speech, you have to say something important. So just say things which inspire people. Be wise. Don't say things or don't promise things that you don't meet. That's another thing that I'm getting. People are looking up to you for advice. You've got, you know, like a crowd gathered here who've come to listen to your speech or something special that you have to say about something. So whatever you say, remember that these people will be judging you on those words, you know. Or probably another message that I get is you have an interview lined up in these coming days, you know, the dates that I've mentioned. So just say the right things at the interview. That's what I get, you know. Don't hide any detail. Don't hide the truth about your experience or something. Those are the messages that I'm getting. So I'm giving you guys, those are all channel messages. So don't hide anything. Your interview will go well. So in next 10 days, I think you're going to go for an interview. And the kind of things that you'll say, people will really respect you for that. That's another message. Soul satisfaction. Aim for aim aim for that which makes your soul rejoice. So also go for a goal that you'll be happy to achieve. That's the message I'm getting. Set a goal that once you realize that goal, or once it becomes a reality, you'll be happy in that. I also feel searching for a partner in these 10 days. There is some kind of soul searching for your soulmate. I also feel you've just found someone, or you just started going around with someone, and the person really makes you happy. That's another message that I'm getting. Somebody who makes you very happy. Somebody who likes traveling and you also like traveling. That's also what I get. That's another message that I get. Mother Mary and the unicorns are blessing you. So blessings coming your way. Okay. I feel mothers are also going to bless you. Your mom is going to bless you, or is going to say words, that actually mean that, yes, go ahead. I believe in you. Those are also blessings. She's going to say, I believe in you. You can, you can do it. You can achieve it. And my blessings are always with you. So in the next 10 days, your mom might just say this to you. Your mom really believes in you. So the other card I get is mystery. Explore the unknown, the unexpected awaits you. So it's all about surprise. It's all it's all about the uncharted territories. Pushing yourself to go beyond the limit. Also, a lot of unexpected things will happen around you, and you have to go and explore them. You can't be scared of anything. There is light there. It might look dark and scary, but you got to go ahead. There could be something you've never done before, like I told you. It's also the first time, and you're getting a bit scared, going like inside the jungle or whatever, the guy and the unicorn. But you have to go there, because you will, like the moonlight is shining here, you will be shown the light. You will know that you have to do it, and you will do it. I think you'll take the risk. That's another message that I get. Let's see the other cards. What are the sigil messages saying to you? What are the sigil cards saying to you? What are the sigil messages? This one is coming on. Gabriel. This is Archangel Gabriel, and it is bliss. This is a love situation also. Your love relationship will really go well. Any problems, you will stitch it well in the love relationship. That's what I get from this. I see it as stitches. I told you I see my cards very differently. It's also shielding yourself from something. Any health issue. I also wrote shield there when I channel messages. I also wrote a shield. So this is shielding yourself. I want you guys to get your hemoglobin checked because I don't know why I get it like, already feeling drained or something. Uh, like having a low HB, not having proper food, even having unhealthy food. I mean, these coming days, I want you to eat healthy and, you'll feel better then. That's what I feel. You need to shield yourself in the coming days. You might just get a cold, okay? You might just come down with a cold. No, I don't see a fever, but it's like a cold. What are the other messages? Magnification. So if you asked for little, you'll get 10 times more than that. That is beautiful. Even if it's a relationship, even if it's money situation, I get lots of things are coming to you. Even if you ask for the smallest of joys or very little things in life, they're going to get magnified. It's almost getting the universe, if you can see it. It's a beautiful card. And I also feel with this card is that time is on your side. And I also get the message that soon you'll hear about the news where things have got multiplied. I get multiplied here. Something will get multiplied. Some good thing will get multiplied and come to you. Sympathy. Somebody's going to show you sympathy, or you're going to be sympathetic towards somebody. I also get a loss of a pet here. Is it been recent? I get, though this is about the coming days, but I also get a loss of a pet, missing your pet, the pet not being feeling too well, worrying about the pet. That's what I feel. Or probably you have an old dog at home and you've been worrying about the health. I get a lot of health issues in this for humans, and I also get for the dog. So just be careful. Just take care of you, your pets, your family, everybody around you in the coming days. Boldness. Yes, this boldness goes with the adventures. It says, Archangel Michael says you need to be bold right now in these coming days. You need to do what you haven't done before. You need to go where you've not gone before, if that makes sense to you. You got to do something different. You can't be scared. You have to be bold. Like the water falling, there's a risk in there. There's an adventure that awaits you when you take the risk. That's another message that I get. You got to take the risk. A lot of purple and blue energy that I get. I get a lot of healing energy. I get a lot of Archangel Michael. I was going to say I get a lot of navy blue, a very cobalt blue, very indigo kind of an energy here. So guys, take care of your health. That's the main point I want to say. Also, the other point is be bold. Yes, protection. You take care of your health, guys. I got another purple. I think Archangel Michael is coming in the reading and will provide you with will make you fight all the battles with health that you have. Sorry. Sorry, my throat is perpetually bad. I'm going to take out one more card. I feel like taking out one more card. What are the messages? Eternity. You promised eternity to someone. This is a long-lasting relationship. This relationship is going to last forever. That's what I get. I get a lot of number 2 when I'm just holding these cards. Number 2, number 8, number 9. Sorry guys, my throat's gone wrong. Something is wrong perpetually. This is forever. This is forever. You make promises forever. This is something to do. Sorry guys, I'm having water. Let's see what are the other cards saying. I want to see what are the other cards saying for the coming days. I think my laptop is also not feeling well. It's giving me a funny sound. It started again. King of Swords. Feeling good in your business. You're going to do a good business deal in the coming 10 days. You're ready for the challenges. You've got yourself ready for whatever's coming. Any business challenges that are coming, you're all ready for it. All ready to take on. Very ambitious person. You're a very ambitious person. And this will command a lot of respect. Your position, or you're going to get a new position at job. You're going to command a lot of respect. We got respect there also. So maybe you get the new position. Maybe when you go for an interview, it's for the top. You're going to be the top boss. Something new is going to begin soon. Remember that. I get around 13th November, though this reading is for October, but I get 13th November, something new is coming your way. And the wheel started moving around October 13th. One more card for you guys. Yes, I got the tower moment. Something will abruptly come to you. There were surprises here. There were a lot of unexpected things happening. So you can expect the world. You can expect anything. You can expect it to snow in summers. You can expect anything. You can push yourself beyond limits, and you're going to achieve whatever you achieve. You will not break. This is unexpected relationships, all going in the good way. Nothing wrong with them. Let's see what the romance angels are saying for you. Yes, there's going to be a lot of chemistry between you and the person you're involved with. A lot of love, a lot of chemistry. This coming till October, and I see you going on a lot of dates with your loved one. Um, the person is also very protective towards you, really cares for you. Is going to give you a gift also. I see a gift. The person is going to also take care of you if you've not been feeling well. I get a lot of not feeling well, though it's a card for chemistry between two people, a lot of attraction between two people, but I feel you're going to take care of your loved one. New love coming your way, a lot of new things coming. So this is something old will end, like I said. Something new will come in your life. And I don't think you'll have any time. So this relationship is not going to be on a rebound, but you will not get time, you know, to get over the first one, think about it, getting into a new relationship. There'll be death of an old relationship, and suddenly you'll find the new person. That's what I get. You'll not get much time. I don't think it's a rebound. I think it's a longer. This is going to be a committed relationship with a new person. This is going to be a serious relationship. Yes, you did free yourself. You will free yourself, and the new love is waiting. You just freed yourself from the person. You broke a lot of bonds, or this could be a job also. You've just given up something suddenly. I think you've given up something suddenly, and it's either a new love or a new job coming your way. Something is coming your way. Let's see what's your guiding spirit animal. What is your guiding spirit animal saying for you? What is the guiding spirit animal for October end? October 21st to 31st. What do you want to say? What are the messages? It's a dog. That's loyalty, dedication. I said the dog is not well, is it? For you, your dog is not well. I cultivate and maintain meaningful relationships. I told you this is all about new relationships, committed relationship. So whoever you're going to see from now onwards, or if you just started seeing someone, this is all about loyalty, commitment, and dedication. And you showing the person that you are loyal and faithful. And you are very friendly as a person, and you love being with friends, and you willingly share your love and life with others. So there's loyalty, there's commitment, there is new love. It is for eternity. I told you, you're going to the relationship that you started. It's for eternity. You're very loyal. The other person is very loyal towards you. There's a lot of trust, a beautiful bond. So let me give you the messages that I wrote. So I wrote shield. I told you to protect yourself. Any health problem. I also wrote too much of something. Too much of something you've done. Too much of something has happened, and you're done with it. It's also fast forward mode. You just want to fast forward. I know why I get you want to fast forward life. You're like, I can't take these 2 more months or whatever. But you just want to fast forward life and see the results. I also got a red loving heart. I told you it's about relationship. This is a very committed relationship, a beautiful relationship that's going to stay forever. There are promises here that you both are going to keep. Whatever promises you make, you're going to keep. I got bed of roses. For you, life is a bed of roses. You realize that there are thorns also in it. So you realize both sides. You realize there has to be pain to understand what love is or what comfort is. That is the word that I get. I also got clear blue sky. I'm going to add blue. I got clear blue skies. Things are going to get clearer for you in the end of October. There's going to be a healthy debate between two people. It could be a job, could be between the topic could be anything. The debate topic could be anything. But there's going to be a debate. It's going to be a healthy debate. So, and you'll feel motivated to do different things. I think motivated to take the risk, like we got the cards, to be, take the risk to do something that you've not done before. Like, I'm again repeating myself, but those are the words that I keep getting. Also got the word stop. You're going to put a full stop to something. You've not been liking something, you want to stop it. Either it's a habit, or it's a routine, or it's something not right, or you're pushing yourself too much, or somebody's pushing you, or you want, a stopping of something. You don't want it anymore in your life. So those are the words that I get. So this was your reading for the end of October 21st to 31st, and I'll be back with another reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like my channel, hit the like button for this video. Do comment, always read the comments. Let me know what came true, what did you like, what you going through, or what resonated with you, and do hit the bell notification button, so whenever I upload a video, you're the first one to know and you can hear it, much sooner than the others. So thank you so much, guys, for staying with me here and listening to my reading. I'll be back here again with another reading. Thank you so much, guys.